one of the things that they have vacation mode, which I love with my Lutron, because you can just hit up one button and it does something. But I don't know what it does. But they tell me when I go on vacation, I'm supposed to hit the button.
Sure.
So what does it do?
So vacation mode is really creative because typically when people travel, they're usually not wanting to check in on their home. They're wanting to enjoy the time with their kids or their family, go to Disney World, ride the rides, do all that thing. Vacation mode essentially will turn on lights at random inside the home. So it makes it look and appear that you're still there. So it kind of deters anybody that's kind of scoping out the house or driving by potentially, to break in, to obviously say, hey, somebody's still home. So it kind of adds that extra layer of security.
You can also program the shades to automatically move up and down as well. And one other thing, just to back up a little bit, on centralized lighting, Lutron also with Homeworks does a dual radio processor. So now for like a house that doesn't have central lighting, or it's a retrofit, you can also do Ketra in a retrofit home.
Very good point.
And that makes it a whole lot more flexible on how you can get Ketra into one of these homes, especially if they've already built their dream home. They don't want to have to go do a bunch of sheetrock work or anything like that. You can actually do and I have some, a screw-in Ketra bulb that can go into a can, go into track lighting. This is a snoot that'll actually help focus it. But Ketra's even in screw-in bulbs, which is a good retrofit solution and still gives you all of that power of the Ketra without having to do a whole centralized lighting.